Am I dead?
Serious.
What are you back there doing? Oh, I thought you were back there smoking. Looked like she was smoking. Okay, we're gonna do a vlog. Everybody is going to say how they're feeling today. Today I'm feeling pretty good. We're gonna do some laundry. I'm excited because I need a washing machine. My washing machine broke, so I have a lot of dirty clothes that accumulated over the past couple of days or couple of weeks. It just piled up in my house, and it just creating a mischief in my life, and I'm like overwhelmed. But here's the team. Maya, how are you doing today?
Pretty well.
Oh heck no. Don't put too much. She could be all glossy. Yay, look at that smile. Where's the other one? That's right. When you're feeling yourself, but you don't look that great. You're just feeling yourself for some reason. I actually look like a nerd. My glasses are pretty damn thick. You can see them. But guess what?
So weird.
She says I'm weird. I don't give a fuck. I don't